Magandang umaga, mga Ginoo at binibini. Ako si Aditya.
Namaste, Superbat. Meron nam Elena He.
And then,
Welcome to our channel!
back. Mabuhay ang Katipunero!
Punitin ng sedula. Punitin ng sedula.
Ha?
Punitin ng sedula.
Punitin ang sedula! Sandugo!
Gago. Yes.
And then this
Ay,
one.
hindi gan.
Because this is our...
May bawang. Welcome back to our channel! So today is the day we would like to say
Maraming salamat po sa 1,000 sa subscribers. Ang suporta.
Salamat po sa
Ang suporta, Vigo. Porta.
Salamat po sa
Salamat sa pag-ibig mo.
ano ba? Salamat po sa suporta nyo.
Salamat po sa suporta niyo.
Daniel Melesare
Ek hajar
subscriber ko.
Yes. This is still not perfect Hindi, but
Yeah. So
people
for
can
today's video, since we are celebrating 1,000 subscriber, we will do another
well,
challenge. Ano ba yan? Parang hindi prepared palagi ito.
she didn't give me anything and just make me like
so
this.
we will do another challenge.
And what's
So,
the challenges?
it's a language switch challenge.
Okay, so you are gonna speak Hindi.
Si may Andres Bonifacio wearing he's wearing I think it's the traditional clothes of Philippines is Barong Tagalog, but since we don't have it, I dress him up like Andres Bonifacio.
Andres? Wait, Andres Bonifacio.
Ah?
You don't have dress?
Andres
Because there was a time you were searching Andres.
Hindi, Andres Bonifacio. Ano yun?
Andres?
Oo, hero yun. Hero.
I thought, ako si Aditya. Ako'y magtatagalog. Magbibilang ako. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10.
May hindi, may ginti karungi. Ek, do, tin, char, pach, che, sat, at, no, das.
See, Hindi is much better, easier than Tagalog.
Galing ko, diba?
Not galing ko, it's very simple. Very simple to say in Hindi than to say in Tagalog because Tagalog words does not exactly match with the English word, right?
Yeah.
Like when I say 8, it's pito, diba? Pito or
Pito.
what? Pito. 8, but 8 is 8. It's not P. But when you say 8 at 9, no. Das 10.
Relate to English.
Yes, very related. So,
But it's easy naman, diba?
yes,
Tagalog.
but Tagalog is not easy. Tagalog one is hard.
So, next, body parts. Eyes in Tagalog.
Mata.
Eto. Nose.
Huh?
E.
E?
E.
I don't know. I forgot. Ilo. I don't know this one
Ilo.
before. Ilong. I don't know. Muso.
Ha? Kung kasap to, visit na to. Bibig yun, hindi puso.
That's again.
Eto.
Muso.
Happy ka, visit ka. Eto.
Huh? That's one. Ear.
Ear. I know ear. In Tagalog.
Labas?
Labas.
Yeah, labas. Yeah. What's that?
Tenga.
Huh?
Tenga.
Before you haven't told me before, how can I know?
Ito. Eyebrow.
Kili.
Ah?
Kili.
Ano hindi?
Kilay.
Tanga mo. Oh, ito. Hair.
Here, I forgot. Wait lang. When she saved my head, she said, huh? Kalbo. Kalbo is my...
Kalbo.
Buho.
Buhok. Nak.
Buhok.
Ak.
Muso.
Ano nga?
If you are saying the whole mouth, muk.
Muk. Nak. Ak. Muk.
See, now I will tell you what's the combination with English. Nak and nose. Ak, eyes.
Size.
Muk,
Muk.
M, mouth. Diba?
Nak. Ak. Muk.
Yes.
Bal.
Mata, sir.
Mata so.
Sir,
Bubu.
don't say that's so weird. that's so, I mean, I wouldn't say that. Yes, very foul.
So, next naman is walang kwenta po yung challenge namin. Again and again. Tapos, sing boss, sing. Sing naman.
I don't know.
Ay, let's sing in Hindi.
Which one?
The one we are singing always.
Which song?
Bera, bera, ishtikara, Sabi
tum liho.
Galing ko! Bubo, didunlan mo si mo.
You sing already. But by the way, just to let you know, people will say this is this is so
Hello guys, thank
23rd.
you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. And even though it's unorganized, so
Little bit.
unorganized. So thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I hope you keep supporting us.
And then we will keep coming up with new content. By the way, if you have any content in your mind, if you want us to do something, tag comment below and we'll make sure to follow up on the video. And that's all for this video. See you in
And
the
you want to do shout out? Shout out to
Baljit Mathar and Mina Pinto and Sheila Marie Sandas. Is it correct? And Christine Esquilino. Esquilona.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you all of you for commenting with beautiful comments, and that's all. We hope that you like this video and keep supporting us in this journey. Thank you so much and hope to see you again. Bye bye.